Hello, my English learners. Welcome to Na's Learning Corner. I hope that you all are doing great and having fun in learning English. If not, then you are at perfectly right place. Today, I'm going to talk about 5 best and easy techniques to fluency in English language. So without wasting any time, let's get into it. The first technique, speak up. I know, it sounds pretty much familiar and easy, but it's the most powerful technique that you can implement. I'm guiding you about the ways through which you can speak up. The first and the basic one is a mirror practice. Try to do mirror practice every single day. If you are a beginner, you don't need to plunge yourself into the complicated grammatical stuffs. If you really want to become a fluent English speaker, make it a habit to do mirror practice every single day. Just stand in front of mirror and select any random topic like benefits of mobile phone, or you can say the benefits of a laptop, benefits of technology, and try to talk on this specific topic for 1 to 2 minutes by standing in front of mirror. Second one, if you are used to this mirror practice, so you can move forward towards the audio recording. Every single day, try to record 1 to 2 audios relevant to any topic. As I told you, you can select any topic. Whatever topic you will select, just record your audio. The benefit to record audio is later you can just listen to your own audio and identify your flaws and improve your flaws. And you can correct yourself later on. Third one, and the advanced one, is the video recording. You can video record yourself like I'm making a YouTube video. So just like that, you just need to set your cam, dress up in a formal way, and start talking about a relevant topic. By doing this technique, later you can judge your body language too. As you know, if you know the rule 7-38-55, that's 7% of your words, 38% of your tonality, and the later is your communication. Your body language matters a lot. So it's important to monitor your body language during your English conversation too. Because if you'll speak a language without expressions, it's useless and boring. So try to video record yourself. Last but not the least in this segment is associate your actions in English. Whatever action you are doing, like you're folding your clothes, you're doing the laundry, you're setting the table, you are doing the work at workplace, there is a break going on, you're having your lunch. So start describing your action in English language. When you will start describing your action in English language, so it means you're normalizing this language. Next one, watch and listen. Now, it's not about watching Netflix series or any movies. It's about watching something professional that actually add value to your life. That's the most common thing that most students say to me, that it's difficult for us when it comes to listening or watching any podcast. We never understand it. Let me tell you one thing. When something you're not used to and that thing is not normal to you, so obviously, it's not your native language. It's difficult, little challenging for you to plunge yourself, and it will take some time. You know, consistency is the key to fluency. Whenever you are doing your work, like you're doing your home chores, you are cleaning up, you're cleaning your table, your desk, or you are going for a walk or for a jog. So what can you do? Listen to an audiobook, or you can listen to any podcast. I'm suggesting the podcast because podcasts include more conversational English. So try to add up these little listening segments in your daily life. When you are doing your tasks at office, when you have some spare time, you're having your lunch, you're going out for a short break, so you can definitely just put on your headphones and you can start listening to any podcast. If you're liking this video, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Your love and support matters for me a lot. So the next one is imitation. Try to imitate native speakers. Now there are 2 ways you can do. The first one is you can do the shadowing. Basically, this is called a shadowing technique. What can you do is British dialogues or American English dialogues from movies, and then you can select any dialogue and try to listen that dialogue and try to watch that dialogue carefully, and then try to imitate the same expressions, the facial expressions and the way they're delivering the dialogue. That's the one way of shadowing technique, that you can shadow a dialogue by selecting any one line. The second one is you try to listen one paragraph from an audiobook every single day, or from any podcast. And then what can you do is notice the sounds from that paragraph. For instance, I'm reading a paragraph from a British Council business magazine. If you want to get the link of this magazine, the link is in the description of this video. The world we live in is changing, and it is changing rapidly. Whether it is driven by technology, globalization, or in response to specific crisis, there is no doubt that the workplace of today needs to constantly adapt to ongoing changes in order to remain efficient and competitive. Now, in this paragraph, if you notice, same thing you need to do with the audiobook. Just listen to one paragraph, and then while listening, note down the sounds. Like in this paragraph, there was a sound of word, there was a sound of it, there was a sound of that, there was the sound of driven, if sound, there was the sound adapt, at sound. So there are a lot of sounds in this paragraph, and then try to imitate those sounds. These are the two ways that you can do the shadowing practice to become fluent and improve your pronunciation along with your accent. Next one is journaling. Try to do journal. I'm not saying write a novel in English, not at all. What can you do is at the end of your day, just describe how you're feeling and how's your day. Just write it down in basic English. It will help you to organize your sentence structure too, and your basic fluency will be the best one. The last but not the least. Now, these techniques seems pretty easier, but they'll have amazing impact on your English conversation. Last one is speak with native speakers. Now, if you don't have native speakers to practice, you can download some of the language exchange apps. There are a lot of Facebook groups too in which you can practice your English. But the best way that I always suggest is always try to speak with a mentor. Always try to do speaking practice with a guider, with a teacher. As also in our language institute, we provide different English speaking courses regarding British, American accent that adopt their standard accent too. So what can you do is, if you want to join our speaking courses too, you can definitely. But the best way is also to practice with someone on daily basis, to speak with someone who have better communication skills than yours. I hope that you enjoyed today's video and you like the techniques. These techniques are pretty easier for you to implement, but powerful at the same time. I hope that you like my video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. So try to share this video with those who are facing the same issue regarding English speaking. You can also follow us on our Instagram, and you can share your English problems with me on our Instagram by sending us the list of 5 problems that you face in speaking English, and we'll try to provide the best solution to you guys. Take care of yourselves in the next video. Bye bye.